Well, I think it's a good combination. When I got here, मैंने सोचा था कि bridal collection है. तरुण तेहरियानी हम जब college में SNDT में थे तो he was like the high priest of fashion and so I thought I'll have to be all elegant and sophisticated. But as soon as I got here, he told me that just go with the flow, be spontaneous, go with the beats. We've got live percussionists and I said, "Bas, ab to aaj maza aayega." And I think I just had fun on stage. It was wonderful.
So was it just because it was Sonakshi, was it a plan that she wouldn't be herself?
Well, I think you put somebody as themselves on the ramp, then you must honor who they are. And I've only known Sonakshi through Rowdy Rathore and the rowdiest scenes in it. And I loved all the nakras, all the faces, and it started happening spontaneously. And I'm like, wait a minute. You decide. So she said, it was her idea to come out to Silence and just get these guys like a rabble rouser, rowdy rouser, and go down. And I always find, like, even the musicians came today, and they just hear the track, and they played the second time in the show spontaneously. I like when these energies come together, and it becomes something else. instead of trying to control and micro. We do the clothes, we did the jewelry meticulously with Devanshi Mehta yesterday. So we were saying, but then once you have people on the ramp, their energy has to take it over. And that's what she did really well. I mean, I really think it went down like a bomb with this audience. Who are South Bombay snobs, right?
Are you yourself a pro at
Sorry?
walking the ramp now?
Sorry?
Are you a pro at walking the ramp now?
Well, I learned how to walk when I was around 2.5 years old, and I've been walking ever since. So and I guess I
You
have
take
to
your
do,
time, honey.
I have to do
Two and a
I have
half.
to do just that on the ramp as well. So I love it. I enjoy it because I remember I used to be backstage and I backstage help करती थी as a volunteer, and आज ramp पर होना. I think it's been a tremendous journey. So I enjoy every moment of it whenever I'm.
Did she walk or did she bounce? It didn't look like she bounced down the ramp.
Loved you. The audience went
loved
crazy.
her.
That was the
And
best
so
part
that
of it.
when the audience, people feed off each other's energy.
Yeah.
She gave it to them, they gave it back, and the musicians. So it just becomes this like a fantastic, sometimes a good vicious circle. So.
सोनाक्षी और रेखा जी भी आई थी आज
जी।
इवेंट पे, उन्होंने इनॉग्रेशन किया एंड आपका और उनका तालमेल बड़ा ही अच्छा रहा है, तो
जी।
उनके पर्सोना के बारे में वो आपके साथ क्यों नहीं चली आज रैम?
ओ मैं जितना उनके बारे में कहूँ कम होगा. एंड आई थिंक अगर वो रैंप पे चलती तो मैं नहीं चलती उनके बाजू में, क्योंकि आई मीन शी इज स्टनिंग एंड शी इज ब्यूटीफुल, शी इज एवरग्रीन. और आई वुड जस्ट लाइक वांट टू वॉच हर अलोन ऑन द रैंप सोलो. और येस आई डू हैव अ वेरी वेरी डीप कनेक्शन विद हर. उनका और मेरी माँ का जन्मदिन सेम डे पर है. So every time I wish my mom, I wish her in the same breath, and I think she's a wonderful person, and I'm glad that she was associated with the event today as well.
Ma'am, if you could just tell us about the jewelry you've designed for tonight's show.
It's a real honor and a pleasure for me to work with Tarun. I've always admired him. It was great. His clothes were very complimentary to our jewelry. Thank you, Tarun.
Thank
And
you.
thank you, Sonakshi.
Thank you.
Well, it was nice to work with such fine quality. Let me say this, with the quality of the diamonds, with the, and there's an abandon with a few people know how to wear jewelry, and Devanshi's one of them. So it's nice to put things that match in terms of a fit, in terms of the care that goes into them and the qualitative use of things.
Okay, well, lastly, one of the most important things happening around the world is our PM traveling to the US. What would you say about his sense of style that's very unique as a designer?
I think, he dresses the way he should. It's very appropriate. I always thought that short sleeve kurtas were the naffest thing, but, he's making it cool. And sometimes when someone does things with conviction, then you relook at it and a style gets established, and I think he's doing it, So he better buck up if he doesn't want the Sechari women to run this country. I mean, I hope he gets it together soon.
Thank you.
What is this, Sonakshi,
Sorry.
about Narendra Modi? He went to America for,
I think it's a very proud moment for us all. I think we all really look up to him as a person because of the kind of majority that we put him out there with, and it's great. I think he's really putting us out there more on the map, and I'm happy. I'm glad.
सोनाक्षी, आपकी मूवीज की बात की जाए तो अब नेक्स्ट हम देसी कलाकार के बाद आपको कहाँ देखें?
वो मूवी नहीं थी.
I mean, after that video.
After that, of course, there's Action Jackson and Tevar, which is going to.
Action Jackson, I love it.
Action
Rowdy Rats.
Jackson, yeah.
Action Jackson.
Yeah,
I
so we
love
know
it.
he's going to watch it for
I
sure.
definitely am.
और थोड़े सा अगर सुपरस्टिशंस की बात की जाए तो आपकी मूवी आते वक्त क्या आप कोई सुपरस्टिशंस बिलीव करती हैं, समथिंग दैट यू ऑलवेज वांट टू कैरी और समथिंग लाइक दैट?
नहीं, मैं एक्चुअली बिल्कुल सुपरस्टिशियस नहीं हूँ. आई डोंट बिलीव इन सुपरस्टिशंस. Thank you.